Hello everyone. Today, for Bybit beginners, I'll walk you through how to sign up, how to peer-to-peer trading and how to trade futures, in a super simple and easy to follow way. Before we get started, if you sign up using the link in the description below, you'll receive a 20% discount on Bybit trading fees, plus bonus rewards, so I highly recommend signing up through that link. First, I'll show you how to sign up for Bybit. If you click the link in the description below, you'll be taken to the Bybit sign up page. To begin, enter your email address or phone number. Next, please enter a password. Make sure it is at least 8 characters long, and includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. In the referral code field, make sure to enter INT 777. This will give you a 20% discount on Bybit trading fees, plus bonus rewards, so please enter INT 777 before completing your sign up. Click Get My Welcome Gifts below. Slide to complete the puzzle. Please complete email or phone verification. Then, your Bybit account will be successfully created. Next, let's move on to identity verification. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Bybit, identity verification is required. Since this process includes face verification, we'll continue using a mobile phone. Please install the Bybit app on your mobile phone. Open the Bybit app, and log in using the account you created on your PC. For identity verification, please click Verify Now. Set your nationality to Russia, check the box to agree to the terms below, and then click Confirm. Next, you'll need to verify your identity document. Accepted documents include a passport, driver's license, residence permit, Idaho card. Click Continue to proceed with document verification. Place your ID on a flat surface, and capture both the front and back, within the camera frame. Please align your face within the on-screen frame, and follow the instructions by performing a few actions step by step. Once that's done, the identity verification process is complete. The review usually takes about 1 hour, and once approved, your status will change to verified. Next, let's set up Google Authenticator. Please return to the PC screen. From the left menu, click Account, then select Security. To enable security using Google Authenticator, click Settings. After completing email or phone verification, a Google Authenticator setup pop-up will appear. Now, please install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Click the button at the bottom right, and select QR code scan. Then, scan the QR code shown on the PC screen. A 6-digit Bybit code will be generated in the Google Authenticator app. Enter this 6-digit code into the Google code field on the Bybit screen. Click Confirm, and the Google Authenticator setup will be completed. Second, I'll show how to use Bybit peer-to-peer trading. Return to the home screen, and click Buy Crypto in the top left corner. Next, click Peer-to-peer trading. Peer-to-peer trading comes with 0 fees. Click Buy First to purchase your coins, then select USDT. USDT has lower fees compared to BTC or ETH. Next, click Rub as your currency. Here, you'll find various payment methods, and most users typically choose bank transfer. Click Confirm. Next, click Filter. And make sure to check both Show Only Verified Advertisers and Show Only Eligible Ads. Once you check all the options, you'll be able to see the advertisers. First, enter the amount you want to buy. Select an advertiser and click Buy USDT. Here, you can review the advertiser's terms, so please read them carefully. Make sure the payment is made under your own name only. Enter the payment amount, and choose your payment method. Next, click Buy. The advertiser's name and bank card number will appear. Open the Tinkoff app. Enter amount. Confirm recipient name. Send the money. Then, on the Bybit screen, click Payment Completed. Click Confirm Payment. After the advertiser confirms your payment, the USDT will be released to your wallet. Now, click Assets in the top right, then select Funding Account. Then you'll see the USDT in your wallet. Third, I'll walk you through how to trade futures on Bybit. To start futures trading, you need to transfer the USDT from the funding account to the unified trading account. Click Transfer on the right side of USDT. Set from funding to unified trading. Select the coin and enter the amount. After a short while, you'll see the funds in your unified trading account. Now, let's start futures trading. From the top menu, click Trade. Then select Futures. You'll now see the futures trading screen. Click the three-line menu in the top left to choose the coin you want to trade. On the right-hand side, you can configure your futures trading settings. Click this button to set the margin mode. Isolated uses only part of your margin. Cross uses your entire margin balance. For beginners, isolated mode is recommended for safety. Click this button to set leverage. Leverage can be set up to 100x, but higher leverage means higher risk of liquidation. For beginners, lower leverage is strongly recommended. Here, you can choose the order type. Below that, set your price and quantity. At the bottom, you'll see your available margin. Click this button to choose your position direction. If you expect the price to go up, select long. If you expect the price to go down, select short. Click the Positions button below to view your active position. Here, you can see, entry price is your entry price. Mark price is current market price. Leak price is liquidation price. Your position will be automatically liquidated if reached. Unrealized P&L shows your current profit or loss. Click TPSL to set your take profit and stop loss levels. To close your position, choose either limit or market. Enter the amount and quantity, then click Confirm. Your position will now be closed. Today, we covered everything step by step for Bybit beginners, including sign-up, peer-to-peer, and futures trading. If you have any questions or found anything confusing, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching until the end.